It's a wet fall day. I think it's 45 degrees. Yucko. I really had hoped to be installing my S-bar heater, which requires me to go under the van, but I'm not going to lay on the ground when it's wet. So I think today we will work on the installation of the shower door. I think that's a quick hit. Like everybody and their mother, I bought the Nautilus shower door, so I'm going to pop that open now and see what we got. And as I understand it, it largely just, it's got self-adhesive tape and it just sits in place, and there's a couple screws you put in, so I'm going to throw it in. I actually have to come back here too when it's a little warmer and grout a couple more spots, but I think we'll just try to do the shower door today and get something done. The weather is killing me. It's getting ahead of me. All right, let's open this up. See what we've got. I remember when we were kids, somebody gave us a big box and we put it on my friend's hill, and we were sliding down the box because it was a little slippery. And unbeknownst to us, it had some of these huge staples in it, and somebody got cut. I think it was me, but I can't remember. Well, the first things the instructions say is you can only have a 1/4 inch difference in the width between the two walls. And this wall, just like everything, I said it's not square, but this wall has a bow to it. So I think this one's straighter. I'm going to mount the hardware on this wall, and then I'll have the receiver on this wall. And it says, if you have more than a 1/4 inch, attach double-sided foam tape behind part of the shower screen to adjust. Well, I don't think I have any double-sided foam tape, but I have this 3M tape that I got from some other project that I worked on. And so I'm going to put a little piece in here just to level up this side a little bit. And it's exactly the same width as the shower, so that's convenient. It's not double-sided tape, but I think that the adhesive tape on the shower door will stick to it. So now, hopefully, where's my level? Yeah, that's pretty good. Just where I want it down here. Maybe put in too much. I might pull a little bit of that off. It's out a little farther than I'd like. I'm going to shut you off for a second. Take a look at this. All right, I got the two side pieces in, and really what I used was some foam padding, and then I used some of the, I don't even remember what it's called, but it's something that I used up on my roof. It's like a double-sided waterproof butyl tape or something like that. So I used that to fill in some of the gaps. The next thing that I have to do is cut the cross beams, and then those snap in. And I think you drill them in to hold it in place as well on each top and bottom, and then that's it. I also raised it up just a little bit because I don't have everything level, so I'm going to pull these shims out, but I did raise it up just so everything would glide smoothly. Hopefully there's no water coming out or anything like that. But all right, next steps. Let's cut the cross beams. Okay, Nautilus shower door is installed. Looks nice. Works great. Should keep the water out. Now we got to go check our list and see what's next.